Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Shantakaram bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gaganashadrusham Meghavarnam Shubhankam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Hridyana Gamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikkanatham. Sarangapani Temple. Sarangapani Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Vishnu, located in Kumbakonam, Tamil Nadu, in India. The temple is believed to be significant antiquity with contributions at different times from medieval Cholas, Vijayanagara Empire and Madurai Nayakas. The temple is enshrined within a huge granite wall, and the complex contains all the shrines and the water bodies of the temple. The Rajagopuram has 11 tiers and has height of 173 feet. The Pochamarai tank, the temple tank, is located opposite to the western entrance of the temple. Sarangapani temple is believed to have appeared for sage Hema Rishi. The temple has 6 daily rituals at various times from 5:30 am to 9 pm. At 12 yearly festival on its calendar, the temple chariot festival is the most prominent festival of the temple, celebrated during Tamil month of Chitrai, March to April. The twin temple chariots are the third largest in Tamil Nadu. As per Hindu legend, the Vaishnava deity Sarangapani, an incarnation of Hindu god Vishnu, appeared for a sage Hema Rishi who performed penance in the bank of Pochamarai tank. Once sage Bhrigu wanted to meet Vishnu at his residence, Ocean of Milk. The sage did not get the attention of Vishnu and his anger. He kicked Vishnu on his chest. Mahalakshmi, who resides in Vishnu's chest, got angered as Vishnu did not show his anger towards the sage. She left Vaikunta and reached Earth and took the form of Padmavati. Vishnu followed her and married her. Padmavati got her memories and was still angry with Vishnu. To avoid her anger, Vishnu resided into the underground chamber in the temple as Patala Srinivasa. In meanwhile, the sage Bhrigu sought his apology and requested Mahalakshmi to be born to him as Komalavalli in his next birth. The sage was born as Hema Rishi and performed penance to attain Mahalakshmi as his daughter. Vishnu was pleased by the penance and he wished to the sage to get Lakshmi as his daughter. Lakshmi emerged from the Pochamarai tank among 1,000 lotuses and was thus named Komalavalli. Vishnu descended to earth as Aravamudan in chariot drawn by horses and elephants from his abode Vaikuntham. He stayed in the nearby Someshwaran temple to convince Lakshmi to marry him, and the couple eventually got married. The name Sarangapani, one who has the bow in his hand, derives from Sanskrit word Sarangam, meaning bow of Vishnu, and Pani means hand. 5 Vishnu temples located on the banks of Kaveri river is considered as Pancharanga Kshetrams. The Sarangapani temple in Kumbakonam is the one of the Pancharanga Kshetram. The other 4 temples are Srirangapada Ranganatha Swami temple, first in this group of temples, Srirangam temple, Appalarangam and Tirupenganar, Parimala Ranganatha Perumal temple in Mailaduturai and Vatarangam. Several festivals are celebrated here on a large scale. Special pujas are performed during the festivities. Mahamaham festival, Deepavali, Akshaya Tritiya, Rasa Saptami, Brahmotsavam, etc. are more of the some of important festivals celebrated Kumbakonam. So Don't miss out on visiting this beautiful ancient temple of Sarangapani on your trip to Kumbakonam. Thank you guys. Have a good day.